Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. Okay, so welcome to today's video, which is going to be the wrapping tutorial for the Super Turban, and this is how it looks. I'm going to show you in a second how to create this. It's really simple because it's basically steps that we already learned, that we already know, because it is based on a wrap that we already love. So that is the best thing to happen, because we can create stuff from things that we already know, and it makes us feel safe because we know already like 80% of it, you know? So we're going to see that in just a second. Of course, as always, this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, who has supplied all the scarves and the shaper that you see here, and of course everything that you're going to see here will be linked in the description box down below for your convenience. Okay, so anyway, I think you're going to really enjoy this wrap, and without further ado, let's go right into it and make this happen. Okay, hi sweeties, welcome to the tutorial part of the Super Turban. Okay, so first of all, we're going to put down the pop of color, and this is really the part that, yes, lays down the pop of color and also makes the turban special at the end. Not immediately, but at the end. Okay, so for that I'm going to use the A Million Dreams scarf, which looks like this. And it's of course super colorful with a lot of different patterns. It has the tassels, and if I can suggest something to you for this purpose, if you have something that has tassels or fringes or something, that would be great. If you like that, you don't have to. You can also, for example, you can also go for a melody scarf or a harmony scarf. Something though that has something special on the ends, you know, that could be nice. It just adds a little bit of an extra thing. Okay, so I'm going to fold this in a little bit because I don't need the whole width of this this scarf, the Million Dreams scarf, and then I'm going to put it down. Ooh. Almost knocked my shaper off. So that is of course the Wendy shaper, as always. Let me just pull this down nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to put down the Million Dreams scarf, more or less, you know, both sides hanging down equally. I'm trying like this, and then I'm just going to tie a knot behind my head. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now next stage is that I'm going to sort of recreate the Israeli turban. And as you know, this is one of my most favorite, all-time favorite looks. Like the Israeli turban has something that I can do every single day, just using different scarves, and that could be, you know, that could be the wrap for me. Okay, so now when I'm doing looks with my own scarves, especially now in the winter, depending on when you see this, for me right now it's winter, so I use like very big thick scarves that have like a lot of wool content, that are fluffy, and you know, but I do not have something like this from Wrapunzel, so that's why I'm using two scarves. You can, if you have something else, you can of course either use two smaller ones or a different one, whatever, you know, you can do it with one scarf, two scarves, whatever you want to do. So for my purposes, I'm using today the Lakeshore Bliss in Forest Green, which looks like this. It also has fringes here, and this is the color scheme, together with the Cornerstone scarf in green, which looks like this. So I love to combine warm and cold greens. I think this is super charming. So of course, together with this scarf, you can go whatever way you want, because you have so many colors in that scarf. Yeah, so there's just no end to the possibilities. Okay, so now I'm going to line up the Cornerstone scarf and the Lakeshore Bliss together like this, and I'm going to just line them up, and then what I do is I'm putting one finger, if you see this one finger, I'm putting it between them to keep them apart, and this is how I'm going to put them down. Let me just fix this here a little bit, because when I'm talking it's hard to concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how I hold them in order for them to be next to each other and not sort of line up on top of each other or something like this. And then like this, with both ends hanging down equally on both sides, I'm going to place this behind my head like this. Okay, I hope it comes across the way I want it. Okay, so I still have my fingers in here to sort of keep them in line. And now I'm going to move them up. And this is now the same thing like for the Israeli turban. I'm just going to cross them over, like right here, cross them over again, like this. And this would now be the Israeli turban. So what I do now, though, to just do it a little bit different, you could tuck it away like we did during the for the Israeli turban, but what I'm doing now is that I'm taking the cornerstone scarf of one side, this one, and the Lakeshore Bliss from the other side, this one, and I'm just going to tie them. And then, of course, I'm going to take the two remaining scarves and I'm going to tie them too. Okay, maybe you saw that I lined them up, sort of the two knots on top of each other, so they're like nicely lined up. And then you can, of course, see if this is all, you know, the way you want, that it's sort of, that you like it. Okay, so now what makes the whole thing a little bit different is that now we're going to bring back the pop of color, which is of course the Million Dreams scarf. So I'm going to just bring this up and sort of follow this line here of the Israeli turban part, you know, follow this line up and just over this knot, extend it over the knot here, and then tuck it in behind. And now the whole tassel thing comes into play, or whatever fringes or whatever you have. I tuck it in just a tiny little bit and have the tassels hang out. So that's how it looks, you know. And then I do this exact same thing on the other side. Bring it up, line it up at the same angle sort of here. Cross it over this bump here in the middle from the Israeli turban, and tuck it in here. Okay, so this is how it looks. And now actually in this case, because this scarf, the Million Dream scarf, was not exactly hanging down equally on both sides, it's actually extra super charming, and that was not planned. That's actually even nicer, because now I have some tassels here and some tassels here, you know, some a little bit further up and some a little bit further down. So I think this is actually really, really cute. Okay, so let me just turn around for you. Okay, so this is the Super Turban. I hope you like it, because I think there is, again, so much potential in the wraps that we know already and we love already, and we can just develop them even more and just do new things with them, you know, take them a step further. And I really, really like to do that, especially with the Israeli turban, because it is, together with the Regal wrap and a few others, it's really one of my big time favorites. So anyway, I hope you did like the video. If you did so, then please give the video a like, and if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. If you want to order something from Wrapunzel, you can of course, as always, use my affiliate code, which is Queen Leorah, in all caps, in one word, which will give you 5% of your order. And besides that, I hope that you are blessed by this video, that you enjoy wrapping. It's a big gift that we have, not only for having another outlet for creativity, but just, I don't know, for feeling comforted and for healing and for all kinds of things. So whatever is your thing that you feel is being touched by this, go for it. So for me, I think it's feeling comforted and feeling safe and feeling, I don't know, just whole. You know, for me, it means a lot to me. It was not from the beginning. It's a little bit of wrapping history here from Leorah. In the beginning, it was a choice, and now it's a passion. So yeah, you see how we are all on a journey. So I'm so blessed and glad that we are all on this journey together. And with that, I'm going to conclude the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you here for my next video, which is going to be super soon. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.